Keyboard shortcut for moving a window to another screen. When working with two or more screens, a common problem is that launched applications appear on the wrong screen. I especially find this annoying when launching a text editor from the command line, because I have to leave the home row with my right hand in order to drag the window to the right screen before I can continue typing. Is it possible to define a keyboard shortcut which moves the current application to the other next screen? Edit. I'm using Windows XP, but it's good to know that the feature already exists in Windows 7. Edit to Auto Hotkey. I did have to make use of the output debug statements and dbgview to discover the proper threshold value 1270 for moving left or right. The exact threshold is especially important when moving maximized windows to the left.
What version of Windows are you using? Windows 7 comes with native support for exactly this. Win plus Shift plus left, move focused window 1 monitor to the left. Win plus Shift plus right, move focused window 1 monitor to the right. Edit. For XP you could try out Ultramon. Amongst other things, it will allow you to define hotkeys for move window to next monitor and move window to previous monitor.
In other versions of Windows, you can right-click on the taskbar, select Move, and then use the arrow keys to move the window across to the correct window. I only mention this because every now and then, I accidentally leave a window on the wrong monitor, and then when I use my laptop at home, I can't see the window because it's off monitor. Took me a while to figure this out.
Auto Hotkey. This will move between the monitors, two 1680 by 1050 monitors. Set the value after loop to be each monitor's screen resolution 10 if you're different, on Win key, hash, and Q. Control is caret, Alt is, Shift is plus, and letters are letters. You can use combinations of the modifiers, too.
If you don't have Windows 7, you may want to try Display Fusion. The free version allows you to configure hotkeys to move windows to the next monitor, and several other goodies.
If you want to support the channel, please subscribe and